Greetings to all dear traders of STP Trading Broker. Today we are at your service by training you how to create an account in your broker. To do this, first enter www.stptrading.io and click on the login option at the top. Enter your email and password to log into your client portal. Go to the financial section on the right side. In this section, enter the bank accounts tab, then you must enter all your personal and bank account details and click on the create a bank account on this page. Well, your bank account has been created. Now, to register digital currency wallets and accounts, enter the other accounts section and click on add. In this section, you have to fill all the requested information carefully and finally click on create option. Your digital currency account is also created. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video.